For homeowners in Weston, one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your home is window replacement. While many people associate new windows with improved insulation and energy savings, another major advantage is their ability to brighten interior spaces and enhance the overall ambiance of your home. Whether you live in a traditional colonial-style house or a contemporary property, the right window design can flood your rooms with natural light, making them feel larger, warmer, and more inviting. Here's how modern window replacement can completely change the way light interacts with your Weston home. Modern window designs that maximize sunlight. New window technology emphasizes larger glass areas and slimmer frames, allowing more light to enter your home. Unlike older windows with bulky wooden frames or discolored glass, modern replacements use narrow, sleek profiles that expand your view and brighten every corner. Popular styles that boost natural light include picture windows. Ideal for living rooms or dining areas, these fixed windows offer wide, unobstructed views while allowing maximum daylight. Bay and bow windows extend outward from the wall, capturing sunlight from multiple angles throughout the day. Casement windows hinge to open fully. They let in both air and light while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. Sliding windows, great for wide walls and low-profile designs, they provide generous sunlight without taking up extra space. By strategically choosing the right window types, you can create brighter, more cheerful spaces that feel naturally energized. Energy-efficient glass that enhances natural light. A common misconception is that energy-efficient windows block light. In reality, today's advanced glass coatings are designed to let sunlight in while keeping unwanted heat out. Windows featuring low emissivity glass use a thin metallic coating that filters UV and infrared rays without reducing brightness. This means your Weston home enjoys natural illumination without glare or heat buildup, even during sunny summer days. The result is consistent, comfortable lighting year-round. Rooms stay bright and airy during the day while your HVAC system works less to maintain an even temperature, helping you save on energy costs. The aesthetic impact of natural light. Natural light doesn't just illuminate your home, it transforms it. Fresh, daylight-filled rooms feel more open, vibrant, and welcoming. New windows help eliminate dim, shadowy areas that make interiors feel smaller and more enclosed. With proper window placement and design, you can highlight interior finishes, from hardwood floors to decorative trim. Enhance wall colors and textures with natural brightness. Create a calming, mood-lifting environment that reduces reliance on artificial lighting. This added visual warmth is especially valuable during Weston's shorter winter days, when natural sunlight can make all the difference in comfort and ambiance. Improved views and connection to the outdoors. Many homeowners underestimate how much their windows influence their connection to the outside world. Older, fogged, or tinted windows can make your home feel closed off. Replacing them with clear, high-performance glass enhances visibility and brings in more of Weston's beautiful natural surroundings. You'll enjoy crisp, unobstructed views of your garden, backyard, or neighborhood greenery, making your home feel larger and more connected to nature. For rooms that face the morning or evening sun, you can even opt for tinted or glare control coatings that maintain comfort while preserving scenic visibility. Professional installation ensures optimal light flow. To fully enjoy the light-enhancing benefits of new windows, professional installation is key. Certified Weston window experts ensure each unit is perfectly aligned and sealed, preventing gaps or misalignments that could limit light flow. They can also recommend custom configurations, such as combining picture and casement windows, to maximize both brightness and ventilation. With their experience, you'll get not only the aesthetic boost you're after but also lasting energy efficiency and performance. A brighter, more beautiful Weston home. Replacing your old windows with modern, light-optimized designs is an investment that pays off in comfort, beauty, and value. Your home will feel brighter, your living spaces more open, and your connection to the outdoors stronger than ever. From morning sunlight streaming through your kitchen to soft evening light in your living room, Every room in your Weston home will benefit from the natural glow that only quality window replacement can deliver. If you're ready to transform your interiors, consider partnering with local window professionals who understand Weston's unique architectural styles and climate. With their help, you can enjoy a brighter, more inviting home, one window at a time.